Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am joining in on a challenge put out by Jerry at the Happy Hoarder. If you don't know her channel, you're missing out. We're going to put a link below to her channel. I also have many brands that I've been saving. One of these Darren bought me, and then two came from Grace Toys Dolls Thrift or Buy. She sent these in a Happy Mail a while back, and I saved them for their own video, and I just got busy. So let's open these up. Oh, and Darren bought me these too. Okay, I'm ready to open these for the Anything Miniature Challenge that Jerry at Happy Hoarder has put out. I do want to say, if you are a subscriber to my channel, and I would encourage you to subscribe, you would see that my whole channel is about everything miniature. I do doll outfits and doll items and doll stuff all the time. So I'm always working with miniatures, but I thought this would be different. And before I get excited about the cute stuff inside these orange slices, I want to say thank you to Grace and thank you to Darren for making this possible. All right. There are crafts you can do with these orange slices. Oh gosh, I love this stuff. I just love this stuff. Isn't that the cutest? Oh my God, look how cute. Oh, little Jolly Ranchers. Who doesn't love Jolly Ranchers? My favorite Jolly Rancher is probably grape. Oh my goodness, look at that. They are absolute miniatures of the official brands. It is really cute. All right, this is real. Oh, and I love animal cookies. We just bought some at Christmas, in fact. Okay, this is what I call look what you didn't get list. And what they do is they put these in. It's brilliant marketing. So you check off everything you get, and you get to see what you didn't get, and then you buy more. Excellent marketing. And there are 5 items. Let's see what we got. Oh, how cute is that? Hershey's strawberry. I used to drink that a lot when I was a teenager, the strawberry and the chocolate. But I really like the strawberry. That and Carnation Instant Breakfast strawberry. I don't even know if they have that anymore. We have the chocolate. Oh, that is, look at that. Isn't that a sugar skull? I can save that for an upcoming challenge that is over by the time this is seen. Okay, I'm having trouble getting this one. Oh my God, that is a plastic container for the RoboFish clownfish. Oh my God, that is stinking cute.
Well, there's my aquarium.
Yeah, there you go. We've been talking about an aquarium. Oh my goodness. Look at that tiny little robot. I started to say R2-D2, but it is not. It says RC mini chip, mini, I don't have my glasses on, MIP. Okay, and the look what you didn't get list. And oh, everybody complains when they get the little Frisbee. I love them. I have actually competed with Frisbees with my dogs. And Darren and I have the metal baskets for Frisbee golf. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the size of my fingernail next to this Ninja Turtle. That is so stinking cute. I can't believe it. Let's make sure I got all of these. Okay, let's open this one. These are so fun. I watch other people open these all the time. They are very hard to find in our area, which is weird, but okay, here's the what you didn't get list. Oh my God, look at these ices. Oh God, that's so cute. That is so, I love these. These are so cute for doll props, for photos and videos. Kool-Aid Blast. Oh, that is so cute. That would be good for my 1/3 scale dolls who need to make an appearance again. Oh, look at this for Valentine's Day. Oh my good. What are they called? Talking hearts? What do we call those? Sweethearts? Okay, there's the list. Here is warheads. Those will light up your face when you put them in your mouth. And sometimes not in a good way. I don't like extra flavor in my, oh, what do we get here? Something to build. Looks like a trophy of some sort. We will build this. Let's see, it's got little instructions. I don't know what we've got there. We'll do that in a minute. Let's open these little joy and let Darren have a little snack for, hear him laughing, being our cameraman. Okay, I think that's the, which side is the treat and which side is your toy? Doesn't matter, Darren's gonna open them anyway. Oh, here's your treat. Oh, look at that. There you go, a little treat for you. It's odd that they have the little spoon thing on this side, but whatever. Let's see what we did get. This also has instructions, which I find hilarious. Oh, we got these before Easter, and yes, time has passed. And how cute is that? It is a little Easter ornament. Very cute. It's even got a little string to hang it from. And let's see what's in the second one. I know one thing. You know, that stuff smells good now that we opened it. It smells real good. Okay, so this is the, we'll look at the treat in a minute. Let's see what I got. Oh, some kind of a little, got to build it too. All right, but it has instructions. Let's look at the, see what kind of treat he got. Oh, same thing.
They're all the same, yeah.
Wow, that smells good though. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, it turns out that this cool little toy teaches people to follow directions. Do you know how I found that out? Because I did not. I put it together and then, oops, his legs. But he moves around on his legs, back and forth, does all kinds of things. That's actually very, very cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please go watch all the other Anything Mini today that Jerry from Happy Hoarder is sponsoring, is hosting. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.